Good morning, children. Welcome to our class, 4th class maths. Today having maths class. Yes. Now, in your previous class, what you learned? In your previous class, what you learned? Formation of 5-digit numbers. How to form 5-digit numbers, and you learned periods and place values. Now next. How to read less than greater than numbers. Now here, what is our activity 1? In activity 1, first bit is what? Compare and insert the correct symbols. How to read these numbers? In my previous class, I explained L for less than and other one is greater than or equal. Now here you get two numbers. First here you insert or you put which symbol, you identify which number is a big number. First you find out which number has a big number. Before you find out that, first check it and comparing. First, given two numbers has how many digit numbers? Given two digits are how many? Given two numbers are has how many digits? How many digits? First one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First one, first number has 5 digits. Now next, let's see next number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This also has 5 digit number. These both are 5 digit number. So in 5 digit number, first you are comparing up to from 10,000. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Okay, this is the 10,000 place. First you comparing 10,000 place. These both are having 3 numbers. Okay, these both are has 3 numbers. Let's see next, you comparing next to thousands after, next what comes? Sorry, 10,000 after what comes? Thousands. Next you comparing in 1,000 place numbers, 1,000 place value, 1,000 place values. Here in first one is 4 is there and second also has 4. These both are also equal. Now let's see next, 10,000 over 1,000 over. Next you check it in 100 place. You are check it in 100 place. This is a 10,000. This is 1,000 place. Next you are check it in 1,000. Sorry, 1,000 over. Next you are checking in 100 place. In hundreds, this first number has 3. In second number has also 3. Both are equal. And let's see next. Hundreds after, next what? Tens. We are checking in 10 place values. Here 6 is there. Here 4 is there. So which one is the greater? 6 or 4? 6 is greater. In tens place 6 is 4. That's why this is the big number. This first number is big number. Okay, how to compare numbers in place values you can understand, children. Now here in tens place this is a big number. 6 is the big number, 4 is the small number. That's why this number is always big number. So here you putting which symbol? Less than or greater than. Explained it in previous class. This is the less than. This is for openings are big and this side is small. Closing side is a small. Here big and small. Okay, children. Now here you put this number, sorry, this symbol or this symbol. You insert this symbol or this symbol. Here small. This is big. Small and big. Here big. This is a small. So you put which one? Greater than. You are using greater than symbol. Okay, you are insert greater than. Okay, you can understand how to compare first to given numbers. Next, how to use symbols. Now let's see another example. These are don't write in your copy, class works. Just I explained that how to compare Just only you write like this. Next. Okay, children, let's see next one. First, given two numbers having how many digits? First one, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Both are having 10,000s. So we are starting from 10,000s. We are starting comparing from 10,000. Here in 10,000 place 4 is there. Here 3 is there. So which one is the greater? 4 is the big number. So that's why this is the big number. Okay. This 4 is big number. That's why this given first number is the big number. Now here insert which symbol? Which symbol? Less than or greater than? Greater than, because this is bigger, this is small. Okay. Copy this in your class works. You can understand or not, post in our group, asking questions in our group. Okay, children, copy this. Let's see next one. Now here also these both has a 10,000 place. Yes, first number also has 10,000 and second number has also 10,000. We are checking from 10,000 place. Here 2 is there, here also 2 is there. So both are equal. Then you are checking next number. What is there? In 1,000 place, here 3 is there, here 4 is there. So which one is a big? 3 or 4? 4 is big. That's why this second number is a big number. Okay. Here insert which symbol? Less than or greater than? Less than, because this is the big one. Write in your classwork, children. Now let's see second bit. Arrange the given numbers. In ascending order. First one. Write down first. Okay. Solutions. First, arrange the given numbers in ascending order. Yes, children. What means of ascending order? The given numbers you write in small to big. Given numbers we are writing small to big. That is called as ascending order. What is the means of ascending order? Small to big. Given series you arranged in ascending order. Ascending order. What is that? Small to big. First we are checking which one is the first small number. We are checking which number is the small number. Okay, small to big. Here these are has also 10,000 place value. So we are checking in 10,000 place. These are ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. These also 10,000. These also 10,000. These also 10,000. In every number has 10,000 place. That's why you are checking in 10,000 place. Here you 2 is there, 3, 7 and 7. Here which one is the small one? 2 is the small number. That's why this is the small number. First you should write what is our number? 23,451. Okay. Now next checking in 10,000 place. 3, 7 and 7. Next small number is what? 34,562. Let's write. You should write 34,562. Here using this symbol also, like this. Okay. 34,562. This over. This one also over. Let's compare these both. Here 7 is there. Here also 7 is there. So we are checking next place value. Thousands. In thousands, here this has 4. This has also 4. You are checking next in hundreds. Here 5 is there. Here 4 is there. Which one is the small one? 4. So this is the small number. Next you should write less than 74,424. Now last one is what? 74,562. Next you write, what is that number? Should write 74,562. Ascending order means small to big. This given series you write first small to big. Which number is the small one? Which number big number? You check it first. Then you write in ascending order. Okay children, still any doubts ask in our WhatsApp group. Okay children, bye. Have a nice day. Take care.